So hello, today I'm showing you how to make a timer in JavaScript. I already have my HTML file. It's blank as you can see. I'm using VS Code and library load. So there is no need for refreshing. Let's start. I'm going to include my h1 tag, which will be displaying the time. Let me say 05:59, 5 minutes and 59 seconds. I'll be adding a button that will start our timer. Let me say click me, and I'll add a JavaScript event which is called on click, and then give it a function like start. So let's go to our script, JavaScript. I'll say function start. First of all, I will be required to get the ID of this h1 tag. So let me add it ID time. Here I'll say var time equals to document dot get element by ID time. So this is the actual timer. I will say var count is equal to set interval. I will specify the period of time I want it to be updated, which is 1000, which is equivalent to 1 minute in real time. So create a function. Inside it, I'll create two variables, one for time and one for second, one for minute and one for seconds. Var min is equal to, let me say 05, and then var second 6 is equal to 59. Here we go, and I will be like minutes or seconds. First pause and decide which one we start with. So it is seconds minus. I'll be decrementing seconds by 1, and then I'll update my h1 tag with time dot in HTML is equal to, I'll concatenate our minutes and seconds and then full colons. So I'll do min plus our full colons plus our seconds, our variable seconds. So let me show you how it works. I'll click on click me. It's counting down. Let me first make this, bring it out of my interval. And then to avoid the timer counting up to negative seconds, I'll add my if statement. If seconds is less than 0, I'll decrement my minutes, and then set my seconds to 59, and then also preventing my minutes from going to negative minutes, having a negative value. I will say if minutes is less than 0. For here I will just clear my interval with clear interval. Remember, I named my interval count, so I'll clear count. I'll just clear count. So let's check it out. Here it is. Say click me. It will start counting down. Remember, it's running. It's decrementing after 1 second. Oh, it's working. Let's wait and see if it won't go below 0. Let's check. Let's wait. By the way, remember to don't forget to subscribe. I'll appreciate. More videos are coming. Just subscribe and hit the notification bell. More videos will be coming. You'll be notified on uploading new videos. Let's check. Let's wait. 0. Oh, sorry. Let's do this. To prevent that negative one, we shall be if seconds are less than or equal to 0, then I'll be dodging the negative seconds. So that was it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Nice time.